As a realtor, do you have listings with your clients that have roof damage from the hailstorm and it will not pass inspection?
Well, don't stress. I'm sure you have seen our Aspen Contracting signs. We are a local roofing, siding, and gutter contractor that has been in business since 2006 and carry an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We offer a quick response to completing your roof with quality products and services that you can count on, and we will not ask for one penny up front until the work is completed 100% to your satisfaction. Aspen Contracting will provide you an amazing lifetime warranty certificate that is also transferable to the new buyer if you're trying to sell your home. Our clients keep coming back to our amazing 5-star services and incredible hand-holding experience directly with your insurance company. So click the link below or call me today to get a free consultation on your roofing needs and allow me to introduce myself and the quality lifetime services Aspen Contracting has to offer to ease your stress today.